This is stock. Alright guys, here's the Carven Competitor Series exhaust startup. Hello YouTube. Today I'm just going to be talking about the Carven Competitor Series exhaust, which I have in my 2015 Ram. You can get them for the Ram 1500s, 2009 to 2018 I believe is the years. I'm just going to make this video to show you what the Carven Series Competitor Series sounds like, and the drone inside the cab, which I don't think there really is any. I'll let you guys listen for yourself. I'm going to start up the truck. So that's what it sounds like inside the cab at the startup. All the windows are up. I'll go ahead and roll down the windows. You probably hear it. It's pretty loud if I roll the windows down. Alright, let's see how it sounds on the road, yeah? I love the sound of this exhaust. Worth every penny compared to the stock muffler. You gotta let that 5.7 liter Hemi roar. So the install of the Carven was pretty easy. It took, well, it's supposed to be pretty easy. It's supposed to take about an hour. It took me a couple hours because I had to go to the store and get some penetrating oil and a deep socket 15 millimeter and a better ratchet. So it took me a little bit longer, but pretty easy to install. Anyone can do this. Bolt off the stock muffler, bolt on the Carven. Super easy. So it's nothing screaming loud like a lot of people say there's with the Competitor Series. There's a lot of drone. That's in my opinion, I don't think there's a lot of drone. I'm at about 1500 RPMs right now, and it's bearable. I could it's not like it annoys me. I could have the radio on. I could hear the radio perfectly fine. We'll see what it sounds like here when I open it up on the. Alright, it's about to go to 55 is the speed limit here. Let's see what I can get it up to. I'm about 60 right now. Drone's not bad. Laying off the gas, can't even hear it. Go! Fucking people are stupid. I have to yield. God, people are so stupid. Eat my fucking exhaust. I literally came to a stop on the middle of the fucking highway. It sounds really good when you come to a stop, actually. So I'm going about 55 right now. No drone whatsoever. I mean, I'm not laying on the gas, but this is just me keeping the pedal around 55 miles an hour. Yeah, I really love this exhaust. It really brings my truck. Feels like I got a whole new truck. I've had this truck for over a year now, and I've had stock exhaust, and I put that on there, and it sounds great. I feel like I just got a brand new truck. Worth every single penny. I hope this video that I'm making can help you guys decide if you want to get it or not. I'm glad I did. I know I did a lot of research beforehand. Oh shit. Sorry about that. Sorry, I gotta take it off for a second anyways. See what it sounds like with music on. Lines in the water, watching those flowers, seeing that red sun sink. Mama's on the porch yelling supper's hot. Y'all come and get it. We yell 5 more. Of course, this car's going on base. The dumbass. I love this exhaust. You can't even hear it. Can't even hear it with the radio on. How's it going? Good. How's it going? Hey, you too. Yeah, that fucking guy looked back at my exhaust. It's definitely a head turner, that's for sure. It's loud as fuck. Behind. It's not loud in the vehicle, but if you're behind the vehicle, yeah, it's fucking loud. Definitely a head turner. So if that's what you guys are looking for, I hope this video helped. Guys, I got the 8-speed transmission too. I was worried I was gonna have a lot more like drone with the 8-speed over the 6-speed. Clicking through gears, didn't want it to be kind of more annoying or whatever, but woo. It almost feels like this truck's got a little bit more go. I might have gained a little bit of horsepower off that. I'm not really sure on the numbers, but it definitely feels like it has more get up than it did with the stock muffler on there. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the video today for the Carven Competitor Series exhaust. I hope this video helped you decide if you wanted to get it for your truck or not. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.